Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to refill a diaper genie. In this simple tutorial, I'll be going over the basic steps for refilling a diaper genie. Now there are a few options when it comes to diaper genies, and this is one of them. The refill process that I'm going to be demonstrating on this one is going to be extremely similar to the other options as well. So you can probably either take the instructions directly if you have one like this, that opens like this, or you can take them and modify them if you have a different one. Alright, so what you need is obviously the diaper genie with the old cartridge in it, and then you need a new cartridge to use, which I have right over here. Alright, let's get right into the video. First and foremost, okay, you're going to know that your diaper genie will need to be refilled because there's going to be a little line on the bag. And that means that you're coming towards the end of the cartridge, okay? So this one is full right now. This bag in here is full, and there's a line right there. I'll bring it closer to the camera in a moment. So what you want to do first is you want to pull the bag down, okay? And when you pull it down, let's just make sure there's not a diaper on the top here. Nope. Okay. So when you pull the bag down, you're going to have enough slack. You want to get your hand under there. You want to use the little thing over here to cut the bag. So I'm going to pull it like that. Okay. Now this one has been used for a while. So basically, you know, it's done its fair share of time. So obviously this is a little bit dull. Obviously, there's another diaper here because it was full, so I'm going to put this one in here. Then you want to tie up that bag, okay? Now, there's a lot of excess here, so I'm actually going to tie it loosely, and I'll just throw another couple diapers in here before I actually bring it out. So I'm going to just tie it loosely. But essentially, you want to get rid of the current bag that's in there, okay? So check this out. Now, obviously, like I said, there was a line on there, so you know that it's coming towards the end, okay? Now, I can pull this bag down from here, okay? And I can see if there's enough slack for an additional bag, but I know there's not going to be. As you can see, there's not. Now what you can do with the excess is you can tie it on both ends, just so you don't waste it. You can tie it right here on one end, okay? Just like that. You can tie it on you can put some diapers in here, and you can tie it on the other end. So I'm going to end up using this as well. But when you want to refill it, close that right there, okay? Pop that open, take out the old cartridge like this. This is obviously going to be garbage. Okay, you want to get your new cartridge. I'm going to take it out of the packaging. I have a new cartridge in here. All right. As you can see, your new cartridge is going to have two sides. One side is going to be very, not pointy, but thinner. The other side is going to be thicker, and it's going to have a little tab on it. So you're going to want to go like this, pull on that tab, okay? Take this piece off just like that. Now what you're going to be left with is a little bit of exposed bag. So you can see it's all in there, but then in this little spot there's a little bit of bag that's exposed. You want to take that, pull it up, and you're going to work your way all around the diaper genie, just like that, okay? You're going to be left with this. That's what you want, okay? The edge of the bag. Make sure you're not pulling out the flaps or anything like that. The edge of the bag, just like that. You should still be able to go right through it, just like that. Take this with the edge of the bag facing up, okay? What you're going to want to do, pop that open. Once again, edge of the bag facing up. Put that in place, just like that. Push it down there nicely. Now what you're going to do, take the bag, pull up to give it some slack. Watch closely. Then you're going to take this and you're going to send it right in the middle. Right through the middle. Check that out. Right through the middle. Okay? Now you're going to hit the holder. So you're going to want to release your foot pedal just a little bit. Get your hand all the way through there. Check this out. You can let that close now. When you open it up, your bag is through there properly. So just make sure it's nice and straight. Okay? Pull it all the way to the bottom. And I always like to give it a little bit of extra slack, or else the diapers end up just really pulling tightly on it, and it makes it hard for the lid to close. So I like to pull down, I don't know, an extra maybe 3-4 inches, 5 inches, 6 inches. It doesn't matter. You can always use it like I showed you with that bag over there. Tie a little knot at the bottom, like that. Let it rest. Make sure there's enough slack, like that. That's it. You're good to go. All you gotta do now, push it, throw the diaper in there, let it go, good to go. And that's it. That is essentially how to refill a diaper genie. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.